guys, welcome. And welcome. Before we get into this video, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post or drop or do something in this channel. The thing is, guys, I've been trying to log in to my previous YouTube channel password, and I know my password, and it says it's incorrect, which is I don't understand. Whether I don't know if the person who stole my phone, because my phone didn't have a password, changed my iCloud passwords and shit, you know, type shit. So yeah, but now,
ladies and gentlemen,
now this is new phone, upgrade, new content, literally new lifestyle. Please go and follow my social media accounts on TikTok. KwaMello-kuhleeeeee_17. I'ma put it right here. KwaMello-kuhleeeeee_17. Double L. Baby underscore Mells with 3 S's. Period. You know. So this is a new channel, and yes, I've promises, and yes, I'll stay consistent. I'll post, I think, 3 times a week, because now I'm here studying at home. So for those who don't know me, this is KwaMello-kuhle from Cape Town, 18 years old, done with matric. Yo guys, I want to create content so bad. I want to be there too, you know. What am I promising on this channel? What am I going to be uploading? What is my content all about? You will be getting a lot of sit down videos, because I'm a lazy person. And I would love to do pranks. I would love to get request videos. Can you do this? Can you prank this? Can you can you do a story time? Our support is all. Your support is all I need. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing get ready with me's. I'm gonna be doing story times, because we'll be doing a day with my friend who did this and this to me. If you know, some crazy shit, you know, like a lot. My skincare routine, how did I, how to do videos, how to fold your bed, your blanket. I mean, how to fold your blanket, how to fold clothes, clean my room with me, a lot, decorate my room, because my room needs some decor. I'm not gonna lie, it's too clean. I'm saving all that shit for content, so yeah, gonna post. Okay, that is my content. It's actually me doing me, it is me doing me. I'm here to deliver what I've been wanting to deliver. I'm here to create content. I'm here to inspire someone one day. I want to have day ones that would say, I was there for you when you had 80 views, or when you had 3 views. I was part of the 3, and you inspired me to create content, to sit there, put your phone there and record, I don't want to make this video long. I want it to be 5 minutes to 6 minutes, because it's an introduction video. And don't forget to subscribe. I beg. I promise to post videos. I promise to deliver great quality videos. I'm gonna do my best in this channel. I'm gonna put the effort, guys, because this is what I want. And now that I'm not schooling anymore, nothing is stopping me from creating content. Nothing is stopping me from putting my phone there and shoot content, So please understand that now ndibuyile like ndigalelekile. So this is the end of the video. Hope you like my video. Like it enough for you to leave a subscription. Please subscribe. Share my link. You know the vibes. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so that you can be notified whenever I post, upload, drop, or do something in this video.